Hi everyone, Sarah Ikalowicz, Senior Associate at KCD PR, back here again to chat about Chapter 5 of our eBook, which discusses a vital piece of Fintech PR, leveraging digital channels to increase visibility, credibility, and engagement with your target audience. While digital connectivity may seem daunting, at the end of the day, it's really just networking, but without needing to check your breath after snacking on those bacon-wrapped meatballs being passed around the event you're attending. We're freshly back from Money 2020 in Las Vegas, so we know all about that social stressor. Shout out to the companies who give out breath mints at their booths on the expo floor. In fact, using digital channels like social media to engage with your audience, industry experts, and influencers can make inserting your brands into those conversations much easier. You don't need to be standing by the right people at the right time to participate. It can happen anytime. This engagement goes the other way too. You want to put out marketing material that encourages your audience and experts to interact with it. There's nuance to this, and it requires the ability to constantly adapt to feedback and data. We share our best tips to optimize this engagement strategy and more in this chapter, so download the full version of the ebook to check them all out and continue to follow along on all of our channels as we continue this series. Talk soon.